Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get temporary voice channels for your Discord server using Astro. To get Astro, head over to astro-bot.space and click on the invite button. This will bring up the Discord page. You can invite the bot in your server, give it permissions and confirm that you're a human. And that's done. As you can see, Astro is now in the server right there, and you can set it up via this green button or by using the /setup command. I will use the /setup command, and as you can see, it has created an Astro category with an error logs channels, an interface channel, and a generator. If we click on the generator, we actually get a temporary voice channel, so that when we leave the channel, it gets deleted. And also you can manage this channel via the interface. The interface is a handy feature to manage the channel. You can, for example, rename your channel, like playing some Rocket League, I guess. Yeah, that seems nice. And it will rename the channel to playing Rocket League. You can do so much stuff. You can lock the channel so that people cannot join it, unlock it, hide it, kick people, invite people, permit people, change the region bitrate, everything you need. You can do it from this interface or even from the commands. If you do /vc, you have all the /commands to do that too. All right. You can also configure all these interface message. You can change every aspect of it with interface edit message, and you can change literally everything of that message, and you can configure the default settings for the created channels. So let's say we want them to be named like channel number 1, channel number 2, and so on. We can do generator, voice channel, name, and put the name here. So we want to be channel number and the variable for the number. And just like that, now when we join the generator, we get a channel called channel number 1, because that's the first channel. If someone else creates a new channel, it will be channel number 2, and so on. We can also change the category. So if we want a new BC category, we can do /generator BC category. Pretty simple to remember, and put them in the BC category. Just like that. Now when we create the channel again, it will go into this new category. There are so many options that you can use to configure the generator. You can change the initial state so that the channel can be like locked or hidden by default. You can change where the channels inherit permissions. You can change the owner permissions. You can change everything. And you can get a list of the commands with /commands, and we'll say category generators. And this right here is a list of all the commands that you can use to customize your generator. Let's see if there is some cool one to use. For example, the generator BC state, we can set channels like hidden by default, maybe. Just like that, now the channels will be hidden by default. As you can see, if you see in the permissions, everyone will not be able to see the channel, so it's hidden. There is also another cool feature of Astro called connections. Now, it would be cool if every user in a voice channel would get a role so that they can appear on the right side with a role. Let's do that right now. We create a role called in a voice channel and set it to yellow, and we want it displayed separately. Yeah. All right, and we'll bring it up there. Okay. Make sure Astro is above that row, just like that. Okay, now we can say /connection because it's the feature, and we'll do create. Now I want everyone that joins the generator to get the in a voice channel role. And yeah, that is it. Now the connection has been created, so now when we join the generator, it will assign us the in a voice channel role, just like that. And when we leave the channel, the role gets removed automatically. So those are kind of like temporary voice roles, and I think they're pretty handy. There are tons of other features that Astro has, and you can find them all out via help and with /commands, just like that. But I think that for this video it's enough, I guess. You can also have separate text chats, and let me show you what I mean by that. We'll set this to true, and now when we join the generator, the user will also get a private text chat with an interface. So let's create a category for that too. Private chats. Let's do that. Now we're gonna change the generator receive state to unlocked by default, and we're gonna tell the generator to put the chats in that specific category, private chats. Alright, so Astro will do many things now. It will create a VC and a channel for me. And you can see that the text chat has the same name of the voice channel. And you can also use comments in that text channel. Like I can set the user limit of the channel here. Let's do 5. And it will be 5 as the user limit. And when you leave the channel, everything gets deleted. And yeah, there's so many features and so much stuff coming in the future. I know right now there isn't a web dashboard on the website, but that is coming. So stay tuned for that. There is documentation too, in case you need like to see all the guides on how to do certain stuff. There are guides for everything, and you can get very cool system with Astro. It has tons of variables, but you can get very cool systems like this gaming lobby that I made in the support server. So you can create a channel right there, and it will say in lobby looking for a game, and you can select the name, select the game you're playing. Like we're playing Minecraft, and it will change the name to Minecraft. We can set the game region, for example. Let's say we are in US East, and we will connect to US East. In fact, if we go look, the region is now set to US East. And in this gaming system, you can start a game. So it will lock the channel, and you can end the game so that people can now join while you are in a lobby. And you can obviously invite more players to your game. I can invite like whoever I need, and I can also kick someone from my room. Obviously there is no one there, so it won't say anything. But yeah, and also while I'm in a lobby, I will get the gaming role. Now if I leave this lobby right there, the gaming role gets removed, as you can see. Alright, that is really it now for this video. I hope you found that useful. And yeah, this is Astro. Invite it in your server. Let's get to 100k servers for Astro. Thank you.